All right, cheers, folks. Doing some work on the Jeep today. We're upgrading or replacing the rear control arm bushings for the first time for the first time. I bought these. These are probably 5 years old. Over here, Metalcloak bushings. You could see it in the video, but there's that. It's this white synthetic greaser. It's kind of a clear or opaque, but then once you put it on, it's kind of got a blue bioluminescence going on here. But this is the last of the 4. I did the rear control arms, and it was a pretty easy job. Wheels on, didn't have to do anything. And when you're putting them back together, first of all, you want to clean everything out real well with brake clean. It's all cleaned out, and then you lubricate them when you're going back together. And then you'll want to get a little punch and hammer and tap around a little trick. We used to do this on transmission work a long time ago. When you have stubborn clips, if you want to get it in there, don't tap too hard. Love taps. But here, this is the interesting stuff here. These are the driver's upper, passenger upper, driver's lower, passenger lower, but they were hammered. I think they're all bad. These have never been lubed. I'd say 50,000 miles, 5 years, 50,000 miles. I bought these. These are the forged ends when Metalcloak first went to forged ends. And I bought these when Northridge still carried Metalcloak. So that's how old these are. I'm probably the only person that can tell you that I bought Metalcloak arms with forged ends from Northridge. I don't know, there might be a few others, but these are beat. Look at that crack. Yep, these are the lowers. Crack. Yep, bad. Some of that's just marks from the washer, but the rear, I'd say the passenger rear lower was the worst lower, and then the driver's upper was worse than the oh, but that's pretty good. Look at that. That crack goes all the way around. That's a good one. I don't know if I could do this with single hand. I can't. I'm not strong enough. But all right, there you go. That's it. Not bad.